Hi, my name is Eric White. We're going to talk about how to replace the ink in a Epson CX1500 printer. First thing you have to do is open the lid. You get the lid open, what'll happen is it'll slide into place so it won't close and pinch your fingers or anything. So once it's locked up into place, the printer is going to cycle the print heads over and you're going to see the print cartridges on a little tray. The tray rides on a steel rod back and forth when it prints. So when you open the lid, it slides the tray out and there are your print cartridges. There's a little lever and you just have to pull up on the lid, and that will expose your print cartridge. To get the print cartridge out, all you have to do is pull back and up and it'll come right out. Then what you can do is take your replacement cartridge and there's going to be a piece of plastic sticker across the top of it. You're going to want to pull up and away from the cartridge to expose the top of the cartridge. The next thing you're going to want to do is drop the cartridge down in and it's going to click into place. Once it's into place, you can close the lid and then lower the top of the printer. And what's going to happen is the printer is going to engage your new cartridges and Windows is going to pop up a window and tell you that you need to align the print cartridges, or the print heads. Just say yes to the alignment, follow the prompts out, and your new ink cartridges will be installed.